Hey, how's we goings there? Happy New Year to you all, and the first episode of the bite-sized editions of Jay's Shed, looking at all things electrical and street lightable. And on this particular this episode, we call it episode anyway, on this particular one, we're going to be looking to fire a high pressure sodium lamp by using an ordinary fluorescent starter instead of an igniter, to see if we can get it done. So basically what we've got here, we have the 50 watt sodium ballast. This is a brand new one, recently got two of these. These are by Tridonic, not a bad little unit. And then with that you obviously need the lamp, which will be one of these, which is a 50 watt HPS or SON lamp, as we know. There we go, 50 watt, that's made by Philips. And the other thing we have, normally we have what we call an igniter, which is one of these, and this is a Philips T15 SN57 igniter. Now these are quite expensive actually. I mean, this would be about 12 quid, maybe a bit more, something. But I've been thinking, you get sodium lamps which have a igniter built in, and I was looking at one of these and I thought, hello a minute, hang on, this looks like what's inside a strip light starter. So here is the humble fluorescent tube starter. This is a Criterion starter. This is a 84 to 80 watt. And I was thinking, I wonder if we can. Asked around a few people. Yes, it can be done. Certain ways you do it. So I've been putting my thinking cap on, and I've come up with a way of doing this. So I'm going to build a gear tray and see if we can fire up one of these. So one of these with one of these. Can it be done? It's going to take me a while to build, so this will be the first video of this experimentation. Remember, don't try these things at home because you might blow yourself up if you're not careful. I mean, I'm doing it years and I'll still blow myself up. Never mind. So that's what we should do. Now I've been thinking about it, so I've made out a diagram of how we're going to do this. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to get it in the camera. We have the ballast here, which is this thing here, okay, and there all the outputs on it, okay. So go around about like that. So one we're not using, the bottom one here, we're not using. Now this is the way I'm thinking. Now if you've got another ideal way of doing this, or if you've got a different wiring diagram, or if you know this ain't got a chance of working, in the comments please, that's what it's for, let us know in the comments below. Okay, so this is my thinking. Okay, so we come out from the igniter and we go down onto one of the pins of, let's count that, of the starter. Yeah, one of the pins. The other pin comes up and goes over to the lamp, but also from this one here to the lamp. So the idea is, when the starter, this is my thinking, my way of thinking it, when the starter opens and closes and opens and then stays open, the current then will just carry on coming through here into the lamp, which is this thing. There we are. Pretty straightforward, and of course most circuits always run with the neutral going straight to the lamp, but there's all different ways we can wire these. There's all kinds of, what do I get into if I have more time, but this is the idea what we're going to do. So there we are, doing that. Can you see that in there? Like I say, if you notice anything in there, if you're thinking different on these, let me know. And don't try it yourself until I've done it, because we don't want no one viewing this and blowing themselves up and blowing fuses and things like that. So there you go. So that is a little project for about in the next week. So watch out for the second video for this on YouTube that I should be doing. As I say, it'll take me a few days to build the gear tray with this on, but we'll see if it works. So in a little while, in a week, a few days, I shall see you again. And thank you for watching, and Happy New Year's and Merry Good Jollies. Bye for now.